Hi mga kasilip! Welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I will show you how to tabulate technical descriptions using G-Survey software. This is the continuation of my previous uploaded tutorials. So if you haven't watched it, please visit my channel. This is the plotted lot with collected data. To tabulate TD of the lot, always collect first the data of each lot, then download it. Click this icon to tabulate the technical descriptions. Then, select all the collected data to tabulate the technical descriptions of each lots. After selecting, then press enter or space bar. That's right! Here is the tabulated technical descriptions of each lot. Technical descriptions shows the data of a lot composed of a line, bearing, and distances. You can edit the lot numbers if you haven't corrected it while browsing the data. Now, you can move it inside the BL form. That's right, it's all done. Thank you for watching mga kasilip. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!